channel back. Cause you see, we're in a different place. This is my sister's cousin. What's her name, Ma?
Aba.
Yeah, her name is Ava. She's cutesy. And guys, we're here at the Philippines and it's called Ocean Adventure. Guys, I'm gonna explore it. Ava, you wanna explore with me?
Yeah.
This is a long tour video. But I'm just gonna make it on my gallery as look at this. It says Ocean Adventure because
Ocean Adventure.
yeah, cause come on. We're gonna watch like the I didn't post the Wild World. But we see a python,
I cannot see.
a bat, and a mouse. Yo, this is so scary. I don't like mouses. I thought we were about to drop the python, but that was so scary. You also see like the toucan, I guess, and a raccoon. The bat was flying around. Yeah, it was flying around, diba, Ava?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're here. We're just gonna give you a little tour.
Yeah.
If I don't know how to make like this vlog. Yeah, I don't know how to make it. I want to make it a very long vlog. Okay. So guys, look here. So today we're gonna eat
Yeah.
at this fancy
And look
restaurant.
at
Oh,
and then look at this.
okay guys, here it says Shark and Turtle Adventure Way. And here it is. Guys, so sorry about a lot of people. That's my mom. That's my little brother. You see that it says Shark and Turtle right there. As you can see, this is the beautifulest view in the whole wide world.
No.
Wow.
And I love you so much.
Yeah. She loves me so. Yeah, I love you too, Ava, even though she's my sister's cousin.
And I don't like Liam.
And I love you so much. Yeah. So guys, I'll give you a full tour. I'll just keep posting videos. By the way, guys, we watched the Wild World. So it was just fun. And then it's like the Philippines history. Or like back then, like a guy teaches how to make they like at the back olden days they use bamboo sticks to just cook. They just add water, make fire, add rice. It's just so fun that he also teach us. And then a girl, like, she put a python around her neck.